Hello, everybody. I'm here with the Invest 92L forecast. This is the updated one. This is not going to be a very long one. I'm running out of time. This is not an expected video. But first of all, please subscribe to my channel and shout out to Adrian's weather forecast. She's a good YouTube channel. She has much better quality videos than I do. But I'm planning on getting up to that quality soon. I'm still working on it, but he has a lot more subscribers than I do, so he has a bigger YouTube channel. But please subscribe to my channel so we can hit our goal of 1,000 by the end of this year, or by the end of 2019. I think it's possible. But yeah. So you can see this area has a 60+% chance of forming in the next 5 days. You can see if I go here. 30% chance in the next 48 hours, and then 80% chance in the next 5 days of Invest 92L forming. So this is pretty likely to form out here in the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to be taking a look. You can see right now, the center of it's about here in southern Georgia on this satellite in this region, somewhere in here. You can see the rotation a little bit, not very much, but we can check out tracks now. It's forecasted to, of course, come out of Georgia where it is right now, go into the Gulf of Mexico, and this is where it's likely to form. As soon as it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to run in, or it could start to form. It could go back anywhere over to about New Orleans, all the way over to Texas and Louisiana is where it's likely to make landfall. If this does make landfall, Texas or Louisiana is where it would happen. And please expect a live stream, no matter how late this does happen. I hope if it does make landfall, it won't be too late. But if it's at like 3 a.m., I'll try my best to do a live stream. But right after it makes landfall, I will be going to bed, because 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I've never stayed up all night before, so that's gonna be kind of hard. But you can see this is where it'll likely make landfall in that area. Then, model intensity guidance for Invest 92L. You can see it's likely to be a tropical storm or just be an upper tropical depression with some wind speeds. But I think it'll make it to a tropical storm. And remember, this is still pretty far out, so this is likely to change. This could be a hurricane. Barbara this time was only forecasted to really be a Category 1, and that ended up, or Category 1 of a tropical storm, and that ended up as a Category 4. So, it's kind of hard. Well, this is pretty far out, so this forecast is likely to change, but we're only going to take a look at one model today, which is the Icon model. So the Icon model, you can't see it right now, but I'm going to pull up the pen. Let me get the forecast hour in. Okay, so you can see we'll have our system. This is our low-pressure system right here. This is Wednesday evening. You can see it'll really start strengthening throughout Wednesday night and Thursday evening. Now it's at 103,000 or 1,003 millibars. As we go a little bit later until this is Thursday at a little bit past noon, you can see it's at 10. It's at exactly 1,000, bringing even some rain maybe into this coastal states, some outer bands of it. And then as we go later, Thursday, this is Thursday late afternoon, evening. You can see 997. This is really starting to bring some rain here or wind in southern Louisiana. And some of the outer bands are even getting into Texas and maybe Arkansas. As we go later throughout Friday, this is early Friday morning, real early Friday morning. You can see it's at 992 millibars. So that's probably either a Category 1 or a tropical storm, I'm pretty sure. And then you can see it will strengthen by Friday afternoon, 987. This is about possibly when I could start the live stream, when the eye wall may start affecting parts of the Louisiana area. Then this is at 21Z on Friday, everybody. This is 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You can see the eye wall is starting to really get to Louisiana. Maybe some Category 1 or Category 2 force according to this, maybe 985. Pretty strong, and some of the outer bands may even be up here in the Alabama region. Maybe throwing some outer bands up there. But 984, and this is at 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's almost making landfall. The eye wall is still hitting this area. This could be a lot of heavy rain. We'll check out the Icon model's predictions. Then it's forecasted to make landfall at about 11 p.m. or 10 to 12 p.m. And this is at 6Z, which is 2 a.m. And this is probably when I might start ending the live stream at probably 2 a.m. If this goes how it's supposed to planned, my live stream will be from maybe 9 or 12 hours from 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. I'm going to try and get this in so I'll be able to do it all afternoon, maybe when the iOS starts. But we'll have to see. The icon model is not known for being really accurate, so we'll have to see about that. But, we'll check out wind speeds real very fast. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, things saying some wind speeds maybe up to 60 miles per hour hitting the coast of Louisiana. So this could be a pretty bad storm. This is still pretty far out in the icon model. It's not totally accurate always, but it's looking a little less likely than yesterday's forecast. This may affect my area, so don't really expect any videos from my area, but or any videos pretty much from that area. But I will also start the live stream possibly again Saturday morning, maybe at about like 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, when I can get up. Maybe like I can probably do it like maybe like at 8 and just and then we'll check out rainfall forecast very fast. Total accumulated precip. And this is for about the next week. You can see some of these areas are predicted to maybe get 10 to maybe even a foot of rain here in Louisiana. So I'm just going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And first of all, please subscribe to my channel so we can hit our goal. And I hope you'll have a good rest of your Monday. And peace out.